Hey guys, so exciting news. I finally found the broker that I am going to be going with. It is going to be Funded Traders Plus. This is what I am very comfortable using. I loved it. I wanted to be able to get into trades right away with a live account that's funded and be able to take a payout fairly quickly. And so I didn't want time limits on my trades or a certain drawdown limit like some companies use, and with Funded Trading Plus I was able to find that in this company. And so what I really loved about it is there's no minimum or maximum time limits, right? And you can get funded and receive a payout within 3 days. The funding is instantly. You could literally sign up and trade in 5 minutes. It's the best thing in the world, and it's very low fees really for the funding that they provide you, and you can basically make that back up in a trade or two. So it's basically they're just giving you free money to trade with. Just got to be smart with your trades and you'll kill it. So we're going to go through the programs that they give. They offer 3 different programs. So there's the experienced, the advanced, and the master trader. Okay, so the experienced trader, it's a single phase valuation type. The profit split is 80-20, and once you hit the profit target of 10%, so growing your account by 10%, the profit split goes up to 90-10, right? So you're taking 90% home. They take the 10%, but they're providing all the capital. So it's a very fair deal, okay? And so minimum trading days is none. There's no rule on that. It's beautiful. Maximum leverage 1 to 30. They do platforms of MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or TradingView. I'm currently trading on MetaTrader 5 and TradingView. I love both of them. No complaints at all about both of them. I'll walk you through in a later video everything that I use on MetaTrader 5 and how I trade on TradingView. And on relative drawdown, 6%. So you can't lose more than 6% total of your capital in total during the evaluation phase, which is just a single phase. And the daily drawdown, you can't lose more than 3%. So gotta play smart. Once you finish the evaluation, then you get the account, which is beautiful, and then you can live trade. And they're very affordable fees, right? And they're all refundable fees. So once you hit 12, or in order to get in a $12,500 account, it's only $119 down, right? Once you pass the evaluation phase, then you're in. You have the $12,500 to trade with. You could really do a 0.5 lot size trade, which I took today, and take it for like 30,000 pips on NQ on the NASDAQ and make $2,000, and boom, your $100 investment is made back easily. Probably within like 5 to 10 minutes it was made back. And so they go throughout. The account sizes get higher and higher and higher. You literally only have to pay $100 in order to get a $200,000 account size. So it's pretty ridiculous. Or not $100, I'm sorry, it was $1,000 to get a 200. So it's literally a 200x is what they're allowing you to take, right? And so if you're smart with your trades, you pass the account and you get a $200,000 account. You start taking $5 to $10 lot sizes, and you could take 1,000 pip move. That's a $10,000 that you just made in one trade, when it only took $1,000 to even get the trade. In one trade, you're already 10x the return on investment. So it's beautiful, right? And you can withdraw your profits whenever you want. It's an 80-20 split at the moment. Once you cross that 10%, which would basically be $20,000 on a $200,000 account, then you start making 90%, right? So it's pretty beautiful. That is the experienced trader. Now for the advanced trader, it's a 2-phase, okay? So the phase 1 target, you have to get 10%. The phase 2 target, you have to get 5%, okay? Minimum trading days, none again. The same leverage, same platform. The relative drawdown now is 10%. So it allows you a little bit more wiggle room to do the plays that you want to do, right? You can take a little bit longer of a trade, as far as maybe like a swing, which sometimes takes a while. It could bounce into the negative for a little bit, but as long as it doesn't hit your stop loss, you're good. And then all of a sudden tank and you print big, right? The day charts, everybody knows those go crazy. Takes 1 to like 3 days for them to pan out, but those do return the biggest return on investments. And so you'll be able to take this play with a higher relative drawdown being 10%, and then accomplishing the 2-phase fairly quickly. The daily drawdown for the 5%, so it also gives you a little bit bigger of a bump, whereas on the experienced trader it was 3%, so a little bit more locked down on the experienced trader. The advanced trader has a little bit more wiggle room, but it is also a 2-phase. Okay, and so there's no minimum trading days. You could literally get one phase done in the same day, and then the next phase done in the same day, and you could literally have a live account in 2 trades if you really did it the right way. And so for this one, the smallest account is $25,000, and it's only $200 to get that $25,000 account. Okay, beautiful, right? $200,000 account is still $1,000, so still a 200x, right? And it's just for this value, it's crazy what they're offering. Now the master trader, you get instantly funded, no evaluation. Okay, the profit split is 70-30 to start, and you can get up to 90-10. So once you cross 10%, you get bumped up 10% to an 80-20, which I did that within the first day. And then I'm assuming another 10%, they probably bump you up to 90-10. Minimum trading days is none. Maximum leverage, the same thing, 1 to 30. Same platforms. I'm still on MetaTrader 5 and TradingView. And the relative drawdown is 5% of your starting balance. Okay, so let's just say if you're doing a $5,000 account, which I'm going to be posting a video on. That's the one that I signed up for just because I wanted to show you guys what was very affordable. It's $225 to sign up. So the most that you could lose is $250, and they'll kick you out. Okay, but once you get past that 5,000 and you just keep going, then your max drawdown is 5,000, right? So let's just say if you took 5,000 to 7,000, you have $2,000 of wiggle room now to play with, right? Where now you can start swinging, you can start taking the bigger plays, kind of like today where we took the 4-hour trade, and you have time, okay? Now, if you wanted to do the bigger accounts, since this one is instantly funded, it's going to be a little bit more expensive because they have to protect themselves, right? So very fair. So for a $100,000 account, it's $4,500 to sign up, but you instantly get funded $100,000, okay? Crazy. And your max drawdown is 5,000. But if you took that trade today that went for 30,000 pips, let's just say you took a $10 lot size, 10 times 30,000, it's $300,000, right? That you could have made within one day. Okay, crazy. And a lot of people did that today. And if you guys have this account, you could have done that, right? So definitely it's worth investing into the bigger accounts if you are a great trader and you follow the rules exactly how you're supposed to follow them. It's an amazing investment. Okay, and so these are the 3 different types of programs that they have. I'm going to be doing YouTube videos on all of them. I'm going to sign up for the experienced trader and the advanced trader and the master trader. And the good thing is that on MetaTrader, you're allowed to have multiple accounts on the app, right? So I could have an experienced trader account, which is going through a single phase evaluation. I could have an advanced trader, which is going through a 2-phase, but it gives me a little bit more wiggle room. And then I can also have a master trader, which is instantly funded. Boom, I'm making my money. And I can have all 3, and I could even be taking different types of trades on each account, where on the advanced trader, maybe I'm doing my swings or 4-hour trades based on the 4-hour time frame on TradingView. On my experienced trader, maybe I'm doing my 15 to 30 minutes. Since I have a smaller drawdown, I kind of got to be tighter with my stop loss, but it's easy because it's only a single phase. Once I make that 10%, I'm done. The money's in the account, right? It's literally, if you do a $200,000 account, it's only $1,000 to sign up. All you have to do is make 10%. All you have to do is make $20,000 on a $200,000 account. Basically, if you did a $1 lot size on that trade from today on NQ, you would have made $30,000. This account would have been done. You would have had $200,000 to your name being able to trade in the span of one day, which really only took about an hour, right? First hour in the market, once 6 a.m. hit Pacific time to like 7:30 a.m., you would have already hit that 30,000 pip. You would have already been up 230,000, or your account would have been at $230,000. This evaluation type would have been done. You would have had 200,000 ready to trade now, right? And now, once you start making 4 figures trades, they turn into 5-figure trades, then they turn into 6-figure trades, and then that's when everything just changes. It's life-changing money, right? Once you get into those 6-figure trades a day, some people take a whole year to make 6 figures, and you could be making that in a day, even like an hour, right? And so that's the beauty of being a Forex trader. You could trade whenever, whatever, however you want, and it's just amazing that you can be funded like this this quick and start to make life-changing money. So definitely worth the look. I'm going to be doing each and every one of them. I'm going to be posting a video on this $5,000 account, which I but I turned 5,000 into 7,000 in the span of one day. So literally I spent $225. If I withdrew the profits from that account at an 80% profit split, it'd probably be about, it's at 1.7K, 1.6K. I could literally now flip that profit, which I still will have this account ready to trade, put that 1.6K into, let's just say, a $25,000 account, and still have 500 left over. I could even start a $10,000 and a $25,000 account, and then if I could flip these and start to make 40% on these, that's 4K in a day. 40% on this, that's about 10K in a day. And then if you go on, so on and so on, 40% of 50K right there, it's about 22K. 40% of 100K, that's 40K. And if you're making 40K every day, then you're making the big bucks. I think that's like 10 million a year. 4K a day is 1 million a year. And so the beauty of Forex over options as well is you could trade this 6 days a week. It's open Sunday through Friday, right? Options, it's only open Monday through Friday, and really you have to pay attention to like the opening of the market, which is 6:30 to like 7:30, 8ish, right? Whereas Forex, there's 4 different markets open. There's a New York, there's a London, there's a Tokyo, and there's a Sydney, and they all have different times where you could trade the tickers in each one, right? So depending on wherever you are time frame wise, you could wake up late and say, oh, I woke up late, okay, now I'm trading New York, right? You could wake up early and say, I'm bored, I want to take a trade, and you could trade the London market. You can be taking a nap and wake up later in the day and trade Tokyo, or take another nap and trade the Sydney market. And it's just, there's always so many opportunities with Forex non-stop throughout the day, right? So you could literally be patient throughout the whole day and be picky about your trades and take one amazing trade, make 1,000 pips, you bet $10 on it, you just made 10K in the span of 15-30 minutes. Or you could take a bunch of hits, right? You could take 20 different plays in a day, little 15-minute time frames, boom, 100 pips, 100 pips, 100 pips. If you do $10 lot size on that, that's $1,000, $1,000, $1,000, $1,000, right? And then they start to add up, start to compound, boom, boom, boom. Now you start to take bigger lot size plays where it's $20 and you start to make 2K per play, then $30 and you start to make 3K per play, just on 100 pip movements. And that's how simple it is. So going to start putting out a lot of videos on Forex, just showing you guys what I do, how I do it, how I know the results, full transparency. It's everything that I preach. And so that would be the next video. I'm going to show you guys the results from this 5K account, and then going to be withdrawing some of the profits and going to be picking up a bigger account, as well as starting to work on advanced traders and experienced trader accounts. Going to be posting those YouTube videos and just showing you guys the experience, just walking you through the sign up, the trades, the big trades that I got in, what took the account to wherever it's at, and the profit. And it's just going to be an amazing experience. I wish I would have got into Forex a lot sooner. If you haven't got into Forex or futures, right? So like NASDAQ is futures. It's not even Forex. If you don't trust Forex, you don't have to trade it. Futures is the stock market, right? It's the same thing as options, basically. It's just futures. And you could pick your bet, which is the best thing about it too. If you want to play small, you play small. If you want to play big, and you pick the bet. It doesn't matter about the option contract price or nothing. You pick the price that you want to play. So that's a great thing. Got a lot of videos on Forex coming out soon. Definitely, or Forex and futures, but definitely Funded Trading Plus is the way to go. Going to throw the coupon code down below. The coupon code is going to be SPY, guys. So whatever price you guys see here, worked out a deal where it's going to be 10% off if you use the coupon code. So even if this is $1,000, right, for a $200,000 account, you're going to get $100 off. It's only going to be $900, right, if you just use the coupon code SPY, guys, down below. worked out a deal for you guys. So was able to get you guys a little bit of a discount just to be able to, who knows, maybe you were looking at the $50,000 account, but now you can take the $100,000 account just because you have that 10% coupon code. It's closer to where you were gonna go, and you get so much more leverage, or so much more capital to trade with, I should say. It's the same amount of leverage. But super excited about this. If you guys have any questions, feel free to DM me on my Twitter. My @ is AndrewR_10X. That is down below in the captions as well. Or just feel free to comment below on the video, and I'll get back to any questions as soon as I can. I'm pretty good about responding within a couple hours, and just showing you guys everything, and going to be walking you guys through this whole journey. So stay tuned. About to come out with a lot of videos on this account, using TradingView, using MetaTrader, what it looks like inside the account as far as the dashboard and everything. And yeah, that's it for this first video. So use the link and the caption below. SPY guys, it's 10%, so just remember that. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to send them my way. I will catch you guys in the next video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll throw out as many videos as I can. Really appreciate the support, guys. All right, bye.